Welcome back to Optimize Health, where we're making easy, healthy, and delicious meals. Today, guys, we're gonna make an amazing umami salmon recipe. I've already chopped up about a 1/4 cup of onion and sauteed this up. We're now gonna add our mushrooms. I'm probably gonna use about 1 cup of these. We're gonna let these cook up before we get to our salmon. So I'm gonna give it about 5 minutes on a medium heat, and I'll be right back. So guys, our mushrooms are cooking up pretty well with those onions. What I'm gonna do next is rehydrate some black fungus. I have a trick. I like to just heat up some water. You could do it in a kettle or in the microwave, some hot water, and I place the black fungus in there. That's going to rehydrate just so much quicker. I just want a pinch of this because it adds such a nice dynamic and flavor. The next ingredients we're going to be adding, besides the salmon, which is going to go next, it's going to be the black fungus, and then we have some really nice mung bean sprouts. So if you have some of this, or you have access to some of these dried mushrooms, these are really nice to keep around so that you can add some color and some flavor and some bonus nutrition to a lot of your dishes. They work so versatile. So we're just gonna let those just heat up in there. And while we're doing that, I'll show you the salmon. So we just got this. We're gonna dry it off, pat it dry. You can do a marinade with some soy sauce and some sesame sauce and maybe some garlic. I'm just gonna be putting this right in the pan because of the way that we're gonna do this recipe. You wanna put it skin side down in the pan, and it can be really good to cook on medium heat first and then switching over to a lower heat as you simmer the additional veggies. You should talk to your doctor, healthcare provider, or veterinarian to see if any of these recipes, suggestions, or contents of these videos are right for you. Nothing contained in these videos are intended to be taken as medical advice. Use at your own risk. All right, guys, so we have our salmon and our mushroom and onion blend here. I've moved the mushrooms on top of the salmon so that I can make room for our mung bean sprouts. We are gonna put these back over on the heat together. I'm gonna add some sweet paprika. We're gonna add a splash of tamarind and salt and pepper, and then we'll be back with our final products. All right, are you ready? We have our umami mushroom and mung bean sprout salmon. So I'm gonna recap for you. What we did was put a little bit of sesame oil in the pan. We sauteed some onion. I don't have any left here to show you, but then we did some mushroom, kind of in that order. We rehydrated our black fungus with a quick trick of using some hot water. Just boil some water, put it in there for just a couple minutes. It doesn't take as long as the package instruction. Then we did our salmon and we seasoned it with paprika. This sweet paprika is a really nice one. We had some sea salt, of course, and we added a little bit of our tamarind sauce. Then what we're gonna do is add some seaweed and sesame flake blend, and we're gonna plate it, and hope you guys will check out the recipe, try it out, let us know what you think.